Python list subtraction operation. I want something like this.
Use set difference. Or you might just have x and y be sets so you don't have to do any conversions.
That is a set subtraction operation. Use the set data structure for that. In Python 2.7. Output. Use a list comprehension to compute the difference while maintaining the original order from X. If you don't need list properties, e.g. ordering, use a set difference, as the other answers suggest. To allow X, Y in fixed syntax, override __sub__ on a class inheriting from list. Usage.
If duplicate and ordering items are problem. I for I in a if not I in B or B dot remove I.